All right. So today we are going to create a video, which is one of my best method to promote a ClickBank offer. I'm going to put it on YouTube, optimize it, and then if you stay until the end of this video, you'll be a master how to rank videos on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. Now I'm on the marketplace. I'm gonna promote. Okay, I'm gonna log in back to my account. Okay, I'm going to click on Marketplace. We are going to promote a health and fitness product, something relatively new, so the competition won't be too high. Now, okay, let me see. Ultra green. Okay, I'm going to filter it by gravity. Okay, this one, I saw this one. It might be one of the others offer maybe later. We want to be on the first line, the first people to promote it. So I'm going to take a look at the sales page. There's a video, but for me, I need the written version. So I'm going to click on this. So now I'm going to use my go-to tool to produce video, which is Invideo. I talked about it on my last video. I'm going to use the um, article to video feature. I'm going to use this, which is my best template. There's a lot of them. You can choose whatever you want, but this one for me is one of my preferred one. So I'm going to add my URL right there. It is going to fetch the video. Okay, perfect. Now I have a bunch of text right there. So I'm going to select some of them to produce my video. Okay, now I've selected some of the text I want to put on my video. I'm going to click on go to storyboard. Now the software will build my video, a draft version of it. Of course, we have to edit it and put it the way we want. So I'm going to wait until it's over. It's pretty quick. It's almost done. All right, it is done. So first thing we have to do, I'm going to change this to Gutamin 7 review. Okay, perfect. All right, and I'm going to add one of the images from the website, Gutamin 7 review. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unlock additional features for free. The additional features that I will be able to unlock is unlimited premium videos. I will extend my video length up to 15 minutes, and I'm going to add automated text to speech to my video. Why I want to add this to my video is because if you add a voiceover to your video, it will allow YouTube to know what your video is actually talking about, and it will help you rank better because with the text in the with the voiceover in the video, we are going to put our keywords, which is Gutamin 7 review, weight loss, and stuff like that. So I'm going to share it on Facebook, and that's it. All right, great. I've unlocked the features. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Edit, Add Voiceover, Automated Voiceover, but you can also, if you want, upload your own or record it if you have a microphone. This is really the best tool. As I told you, you have so much options. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm going to use it the simplest way possible because you don't have to use all of them. The only thing I use is the voiceover text to speech automatic voiceover generation. So I'm going to generate it right away. All right, it is done.
Gutamin 7 review.
Perfect. I'm going to click on this to add it to all my scenes while I'm there. That's it. I'm going to save. Perfect. Now I'm going to go on the next. Okay, so you don't have to lose shaggy skin, weight loss. Okay, now I'm going to go on this tool here and I'm going to take a look, find some weight loss videos. Okay, it's better to use videos because videos will help you convert more, but you also have options to have still images. You have a ton of options. I'm going to select this one. Okay, okay, perfect. Use the full video. Perfect. I'm going to reduce the length of this video because 17 seconds is a bit too much. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to preview this.
So you won't have to worry about loose, saggy skin, no matter how much weight you lose or how big you are.
Perfect. Now, on this one, also weight loss, supercharge. I'm going to put this one. Okay. Okay. All right, drag and drop. Okay, 10 seconds of it. Perfect. Do it. I guarantee your future will love you. I'm going to take another weight loss video. This one. Okay, it's talking about to order more than 1 month of supply. I'm going to put another image with our offer right there. Okay, this one, money back guarantee. Media, I'm going to find something with guarantee. All right, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Okay, this one is still talking about weight loss. Okay, perfect. This one. Okay. Okay. Yes, this one is really perfect.
Just imagine how amazing it will feel to show everyone who ever judged and doubted you that the only thing you lose is the extra weight.
Perfect. Okay, we're almost done. Okay. All right, I'm going to take this one. Going to reduce the length. Okay, perfect. We are done. The last one, we are going to put another image based on the product, and that's it. We are done.
It's time for you.
Now, the last thing, I'm going to put music on it. Okay, we have built-in music. Okay, I'm going to select. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, I was on angry category. This is not what I want. Okay, I want something more inspirational. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. Okay, this one is pretty good. I'm going to use this one. Select this one. Perfect. Okay, that's it. Now, the last thing we want to do is to click on preview and export. Okay. Oh, but there is something wrong here. Okay. All right.
Imagine how empowering it is to see your partner look at you with a renewed desire. It's time for you to experience every single benefit that Goodman 7 has to offer.
Perfect. One last thing I'm going to do before I'm going to add one scene. Okay. And I'm going to put the text, click the link below to order with a huge with a huge discount. That's it. This is the last thing we want to do because we want to add a call to action on the image. Now I'm gonna just add the last image right there. Perfect. This is the last thing I wanted to do. Now I'm really gonna export my video. That's it. Okay, now our video is ready. Now I'm gonna download it. Okay, now my video is ready. I've renamed the file with my keywords. Now I'm going to upload it on YouTube. Glutamine 7 reviews, real glutamine 7 reviews from customers. Okay, perfect. I'm going to copy this over right there. Okay, now on ClickBank, I'm going to put my, I'm not going to do it here, but I'm going to put, for example, link of your ClickBank offer. If you want to know how to generate your ClickBank offer link, you just, I'm going to leave a link below, or you can do that on the previous video I've already made. So that's it. I'm going to just put some keywords on the bottom. Okay. Glutamine 7, Glutamine 7 review, and Glutamine 7 reviews. These are my top 3 keywords. That's it. I'm going to select this one. In a future video, I'm going to show you how I generate my best thumbnails in order to increase my click-through rates. It means that every time my videos appear on the search results, people are most likely to click on it because it is more professional and don't need to have a degree on design. This software I'm using is done for you. Everything is really easy to do. Now I'm going to add a new weight loss product reviews, a new playlist. That's it. I'm going to add my video on this playlist. This video is not made for kids. I'm going to click on more options. I'm going to add some tags to it. Okay, the tags are my keywords. In other words, I don't know what's happening, but just give me 1 second. Okay, it's working now. Okay, now it doesn't seem to show up, but once I upload it completely, I guess it will work. Now I'm going to select the video language, English, recording date today. Okay, I'm going to put it on how to style, allow comments, and next. Okay, public, I'm going to publish my video. Now, if you have a Facebook account and Twitter account, I would strongly suggest you to share it because it will add 2 more backlinks to your video. And if you want to speed up the ranking process, okay, now I'm on Fiverr. I'm going to put rank YouTube video. Now you have a lot of services where you can rank your YouTube videos. You can filter to have starting from $5. You have other services which is more expensive, but from my past experience, once you have optimized your video, it's easy to rank with the steps I gave you. This is an extra step. You don't have to invest in it. But if you have some extra money, you can do it. Now I'm going to see if my video is already ranking on YouTube. So I'm going to type Vitamin 7 review. Hey, wow, fantastic. My video is ranking number 1 for this particular term. Let's see for Vitamin 7 reviews, still number 1. And let's see for only the supplement, and I'm still number 1. Now the last steps I'm going to do, I'm going to look over on Google if my video is ranking on Google. And guess what, guys? 6 minutes ago, my video is already ranking on Google. This is the cherry on the cake. This is the way you will make money with YouTube video promotion. If you are able to rank on YouTube and Google at the same time, guess what? The money will come in like clockwork. So really, this is the best method, as I told you, to really start as a ClickBank beginner. If you want to make money on ClickBank for beginners, this is really the route to take YouTube promotion. So that's it, guys. I hope you find value on my videos. I'm really putting all my heart into it. It takes a lot of time. I would really appreciate if you could give a thumbs up to my videos, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more of my best tips, and if you want to never miss my video, just click that little bell icon. That's it, guys. Don't forget to take action. Without action, all your dreams will always remain a dreams. Thanks for watching.